Okay. Random salad. Let's see. Avocados. Yan, slice it up. Yan, then mayo, mustard, chilies, salt and pepper, garlic, dalandan, piniga, sesame oil, minix. Okay, chicken breast. Pump it up. Curry and paprika, salt and pepper. Yan, flames. The bacon. Yan, salt and pepper lang. Then the glaze ng toyo. Yan, chicken. Kali muna. Because we don't waste no time here. Yan, slice it up. Onions and tomato. Avocado ranch. Yan, mixed. Let's go. Boiled eggs and dill. Yan, sarap yan. Solid yan. Talagang solid yan, men. Bye.